On the OpsCompass dashboard, your environment's overall compliance score is generated by looking at all the cloud accounts you have attached to OpsCompass and benchmarking them to the compliance frameworks you're being scored against. For example, one compliance framework is CIS. By providing both visibility into the CIS controls as well as the CIS benchmarks, OpsCompass is able to really focus on security from a new perspective. Let's start with Microsoft Azure. You're able to drill in and look at your Azure benchmarks and see how you're doing with real specific problems. Take these storage accounts, for example. And let's check out this rule. We have to make sure that secure transfer required is set to enabled. And you'll see that you're able to quickly identify your 6 storage accounts across different subscriptions based on these benchmarks here. If we click into this here, we're now able to take the next steps to evaluate the compliance status of this resource and identify what these problems are. You'll be able to expand it out, get the remediation steps, as well as the rationale. With using this information, you'll then click into this deep link above that will take you to the resource in Azure to get it back into compliance. Let's go back to the dashboard. The same way we just looked at the CIS benchmarks for Azure, you have the same visibility into 365, AWS, and Google. You still get the same information with clear remediation steps and rationale, but it's just at your desired cloud level to give you a quick way to get organized based on the clouds. OpsCompass also maps all of those benchmarks and displays them at the CIS controls view. This view gives you the ability to remove a layer and see things from a higher level. OpsCompass shows you where all of your resources are across all of your clouds and maps them to these 20 controls. This is your compliance single source of truth, a consistent visibility mapped across all clouds. At any level you view your compliance data, including other frameworks, benchmarks, and standards, like NIST, in addition to full visibility and control, you'll have the ability to export those reports as a CSV.